My next step is to reach in, make sure that's open, check both knuckle pins. I'm looking to make sure they're both there so that when I separate the car, it separates the right way. Now I'm going to close the angle cock on the car that's leaving, which is going to make sure that the train doesn't go into an emergency and apply its air brakes. Now that we're ready to pull away, I'm going to pull on the cut lever and ask the trainman to pull away. Watch as I separate how as soon as I see this knuckle start to open, I turn my back to the train and step away so that any air that releases doesn't throw any debris at me. As soon as the train separates, I look to make sure the air brake's applied and the train went into emergency. I always want to leave one angle cock open so that the brakes exhaust and go into emergency. Now we're going to couple the car up. The first thing I'm going to do is look at the knuckle pin. I'm going to make sure it's in there before I open the knuckle. With my feet clear of the rail, I'm going to pull on the lever and release the knuckle, and then reach in and carefully open the knuckle. Next, I'm going to make sure that the handbrake is applied on the car I'm coupling to so that when I couple, I know it can't roll or move inadvertently. Let's bring the train in and couple up. Now that the cars are coupled, it's time to put the air hoses together and put the train together to move. I'm going to straddle this rail. I'm going to leave the weight on the balls of my feet and squat down next to the hoses. This is so that if I need to move in a hurry, I can just stand up and step back and get clear of the train. If you put your weight on your knee or on the ground, you can't react as quickly. I'm going to use my left hand and pull the glad hand away, get it out of the way, and hold it with my right hand. Then I'm going to use my left hand to grab the other one, line them up 90 degrees to each other, and snap them together. Once the air hoses are connected, I slowly turn the angle cock. This prevents me from dumping the air on the train. Once I have the angle cock open, I can release the handbrake. We can now safely move the train.